Here are 4 common mistakes that beginners make when getting credit card sign-up bonuses. Credit card sign-up bonuses are when you spend a specific amount of money over a duration of time. Usually these are well defined within the marketing promotion material that they give you. Example, 250,000 points for $10,000 in 90 days. But did you know they try to get you? Number one, the start of the 90 days is not when you get the mail. Common mistake. People get mail usually maybe 5 to 10 business days after when you get the actual physical card. Did you know that the sign up date actually started when you got approved? In reality, you know that you actually don't get the full 90 days. So make sure that you're spending on that card and meet that minimum in a shorter amount of time than the full 90 days. Number two, people accidentally refund one of your purchases or you get a credit back and it messes up with your minimum spend. So let's take, for example, I use my Visa card at Costco. I buy lots of food and my wife tells me to simplify. So you return something that was like $100 and you actually go below the amount, you would actually be ineligible for your sign-up bonus. This can be a common mistake. One thing to work around this is to make sure that you spend more than the minimum. For example, maybe $100 or $200 more so that you're well over in case of any future refunds that you do accidentally. Number three, you meet your minimum spend and the sign-up bonus still hasn't appeared in your account. What the heck? So this is an easy common mistake. People are like, how come my points haven't arrived yet? So you need to make sure and look at the statement date and when you close. So for example, if the last day of when your sign-up bonus is September 1st and you finish your spend on August 30th and your statement closing date is actually say September 7th, you will actually not receive those points until the next statement cycle has closed. So at September 7th, whenever that paper arrives or appears in your account, then your sign-up bonus will appear. Number four, another common mistake is where you don't understand how the sign-up bonuses is broken up into. For example, some sign-up bonuses are broken up into different spending tiers. This means their marketing material might say, oh, you're gonna get 100,000 points if you spend $10,000, but they might break it down into first $5,000, you get 30,000 points. And if you spend the next $5,000 and have $10,000 total, you get the next 70,000 points. So this is called a tier structure and can also be an easy misconception for sign-up bonuses. All right, here's a bonus tip. Bonus tip number 5. Here's one for American Express cards. Never purchase gift cards when you have an American Express card during its sign-up bonus phase. This is a known way to get flagged for your account because American Express basically thinks you're trying to cheat the system, manufacture some spend, and trying to milk them for money. This is an easy way where your sign-up bonuses is pulled or clawed back. And for more severe cases, they actually ban you from American Express. I'm running out of light to film this video. If you want to learn more about credit cards, check out this next video. And I'm trying to get my steps in.